Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be flipped up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two cup holders, a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip information, your driver assistance features and settings, your fuel economy, eco coach, and then your comm screen. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then, above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here, very simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, and this compartment up here for more storage. And moving down, you have another 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.